Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how does Remitly cash pickup work. So let's dive in. So let me explain how Remitly's cash pickup works in the simplest way possible. Let's say you want to send money to someone who doesn't have a bank account, or maybe they just prefer cash. All you do is open the Remitly app, set up the transfer like normal, but instead of choosing a bank deposit, you pick cash pickup. Once you hit send, Remitly gives you a special reference number. That's the magic number the recipient needs. Now, on the other side, the person you're sending money to just walks into one of Remitly's partner locations. It could be a bank branch, a money transfer center, or even a retail shop depending on the country. They show the reference number, flash their ID, and boom, they get their cash on the spot. No waiting for bank clearance or anything like that. The coolest part? If you choose the express delivery, the money can literally be ready within minutes. It's fast, it's secure, and honestly, super convenient for people who don't want to deal with bank accounts or online wallets. And that's how Remitly Cash Pickup works.